So all the way in the back here, there's the second pergola garden right there. And here's a compost bin, just to give you reference. So I'm gonna add some of these gorgeous geraniums. They have this really dark foliage. So this is called, come on. There we go, I wanted it to focus. This is called Geranium espresso, not espresso, espresso. Flip this over. Yeah, so it's called Geranium maculatum espresso. It blooms late spring to midsummer. In my zone B, oh my goodness. In my zone 7B garden, I need to plant it in partial sun. It grows 12 to 15 inches tall and roughly 15 inches wide. So it grows between USDA zones 4 to 8. Right. So yeah, it definitely needs to be in part shade in this climate, right? So that's the foliage. And it has, well, it's a total of 5. And it has white flowers. So I know in the, look at that, what is that, a squirrel? So I know in the heat of summer, we get a lot of sun in this area right here for a considerable amount of time in the day. Moving along, in the foreground of all of these ironweed, better yet called blue star Amsoni, right? Amsonia ubrichti, blue star, okay? That's it for me pronouncing the Latin version. In the foreground of that hedge, I have some Penstemon with some very dark foliage. So I'm on this dark foliage kick, clearly. And this Penstemon is called, if I can get the tag out, it's called Dark Towers. Beard tongue is another name for this plant. You plant it in full sun. It gets 18 to 36 inches high. I'm assuming 36 inches is when the flower stalks come up. And 18 inches wide. They bloom between spring and summer. It's supposed to be a heavy hummingbird attractor. Takes average soil, well-drained soil, and it grows in hardiness zones 3 to 8. Yeah, so clearly, and here goes a picture. It's got those beautiful tubular light pink to white flowers. So this is gonna be a stunner. This is gonna be a stunner. So yeah, I let the chickens out back here, and what I intend to do, and it's getting kind of dark, is to put up a chicken fence, all right, from that end of the compost bin all along here to this, up here to this red bud right here. So I'll just wrap the chicken fence around the red bud and take it back that way. And, you know, kind of keep that area protected, because I'd like these plants to get established before, you know, I let the chickens rummage through them. So that's the deal, that's the plan. All right, guys.